Israel, the United States, and Iran. A modern war. War used to be easy to map. Two armies, two borders, one defined battlefield. Today, those boundaries are no longer clear. When tensions between Israel and Iran escalated, drawing the United States into a complex regional defense network, the world witnessed something different. This wasn't simply a confrontation between nations, it was a glimpse into a new era, a conflict shaped not only by steel and gunpowder, but by software, autonomous systems, artificial intelligence, and satellites. Historically, opening strikes targeted physical infrastructure, missile silos, command centers, weapons depots. Today, the first move is often invisible. Cyber operations can disrupt radar networks, interfere with communications, or inject false data into defensive systems. The goal is straightforward: disrupt awareness before the conflict begins. Because in modern warfare, losing visibility can mean losing the fight. Technology now influences the battlefield well before the first missile is fired. One of the most disruptive technologies in this evolving landscape is the unmanned aerial vehicle, better known as the drone. Over the past decade, Iran has significantly expanded its drone capabilities. Many of these platforms fall into the category of loitering munitions. Rather than returning to base like conventional aircraft, these systems are designed to travel long distances and strike their target directly. Their effectiveness does not come from speed or size, but from simplicity and scale. They are relatively inexpensive to produce, they are expendable, and they can be launched in large numbers. This strategy is often described as saturation. Instead, relying on a single high-value missile, dozens of drones may be launched simultaneously. Even sophisticated defense systems face challenges when tracking and intercepting numerous incoming threats at once. Behind these drones is a combination of navigation, sensing, and onboard computing. Most systems rely on layered guidance technologies. Satellite navigation provides global positioning data during flight. But modern battlefields often involve electronic interference. Signals can be jammed or intentionally manipulated. To maintain accuracy, drones also use inertial navigation systems. These internal guidance units rely on gyroscopes and accelerometers to calculate movement independently of external signals. Even if satellite navigation is lost, the drone can estimate its location and continue its route. Before launch, operators upload a series of coordinates known as waypoints. These points form a flight path that the aircraft follows autonomously. Onboard computers continuously adjust speed, altitude, and direction to stay aligned with that path. In many cases, the system requires minimal human input once airborne. Sensor systems add another layer of capability. Electro-optical cameras and infrared sensors allow drones to observe terrain and detect heat signatures. Software algorithms can analyze this data, helping identify vehicles, structures, or other objects of interest. Telemetry systems transmit flight data back to operators, providing real-time insight into location and system status. Some advanced systems allow drones to share information with one another. This form of cooperative autonomy enables multiple drones to exchange data about navigation, obstacles, and potential targets. Individually, each aircraft may be simple. Together, they operate as a distributed network, a mobile system of sensors, processors, and strike capabilities. This is what makes drone swarms increasingly complex to defend against, and it is a concept being explored by many nations. To counter these threats, Israel has developed one of the most advanced air defense networks in the world. It functions as a layered defensive architecture. Iron Dome intercepts short-range rockets and drones. David's sling is designed to engage medium-range threats, and the Arrow system targets long-range ballistic missiles at high altitude. These systems operate together to create overlapping coverage. Behind them lies an extensive network of radar arrays, sensors, and computational systems. Within fractions of a second, these systems calculate the trajectory of incoming projectiles. They determine which objects pose a real danger and which will land harmlessly in open areas. This allows the system to conserve interceptors while focusing on genuine threats. Over extended conflicts, that efficiency becomes essential. Another technology beginning to change defensive strategies is the directed energy weapon. Israel's Iron Beam system represents a shift in how interception may occur. Instead of firing interceptor missiles, the system uses a high-energy laser to neutralize incoming drones or rockets. The financial difference is significant. Interceptor missiles can cost tens of thousands or even millions of dollars per launch. A laser engagement costs only a fraction of that. And unlike missiles, a laser system does not run out of ammunition. As long as sufficient electrical power is available, the system can continue firing. Artificial intelligence increasingly supports these technologies. AI systems process large volumes of radar signals, satellite imagery, and sensor data. They identify patterns, prioritize threats, and assist in decision-making. This allows defense networks to respond within seconds. In some cases, machines analyze the situation faster than human operators alone could manage. Modern warfare is gradually moving toward machine-speed decision cycles. The United States plays an important role in the broader regional defense architecture through naval deployments, satellite monitoring, and intelligence sharing. The U.S. contributes to what planners describe as a common operational picture. Infrared sensors aboard satellites detect missile launches by identifying the heat signatures of rocket engines. Within moments, that information is transmitted across allied networks. Defensive systems hundreds of miles away can begin calculating interception paths almost immediately. Multiple nations, multiple systems, operating together as an integrated defensive network. The tensions between Israel, Iran, and regional alliances offer insight into the direction of future conflicts. Traditional military power remains important, but the nature of advantage is evolving. The battlefield now stretches from underground data centers to satellites orbiting far above the planet. Modern conflict is increasingly defined by autonomous drones, artificial intelligence, cyber operations, and energy-based defense systems. In the years ahead, the decisive factor may not be the size of an army, but the sophistication of the technology guiding it. Do you think technology will make wars more controlled or more dangerous? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and keep the conversation going.